Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so shot clock down to 7. I'm going to continue out of random and hope for the best. Alright? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. This one it is, right here. Let's see what this can be. Alright? Oh, by the way. Okay, so it's the Curve Chill 4.2 ounce cologne spray. Alright? And I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients on the bag, but I'm not gonna read you guys them. So if you guys want to read it, go ahead and pause it as soon as the camera focuses on it. All right. So you guys can go ahead and focus. Pause right now. Okay. On that happy note, let me get right into this cologne. And yes, this part does come off, guys. Just like every Curve cologne. See? All right, and every Curve cologne that I've known of comes with this orange spray guard, I guess. All right, is what it looks like. The bottom part. All right, now it's pretty early in the day over here. You know, so I'm not gonna be trying this on right now, but I will be trying it on a Kleenex. All right, so give me 1 second here, guys. Wow, pretty sweet. Um, it smells a lot like the Jordan Flight cologne. I've had a lot from the 2011 release. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a solid 7.5. All right, smells pretty good. Not the best cologne I've smelled in my life, but again, pretty good. Good enough for me to give a 7.5. Um, what else? This is the third Curve cologne I've had my whole life. I'm not sure if there's any other Curve colognes besides the Curve Crush, which is the silver bottle, the original Curve, which is the greenish bottle, and the Curve Chill right here. Those are the only three Curve colognes that I've purchased and owned in my life, and of all those three colognes I've had, I've honestly got to say that the Curve Crush, which is a silver bottle, all right, you guys should know which one I'm talking about. It's the again, it says Curve Crush on it, and it's silver. That one is the best one that I've had of all three curves. Second would have to be the green curve color, or should I say the greenish bottle curve. And then third will be the current one that I have right now, which is a Curve Chill. But yeah, that's just my take on it. Would I recommend this cologne? Definitely. You know, I give it a again 7.5, which is pretty good. Uh, to put it in dollar cents, I give it 3 out of 4 quarters. All right. So on that happy note, guys, thank you for checking us out. Go out there and get this. It's a pretty good cologne. All right. I don't think you should be disappointed if you like sweet colognes. But nonetheless, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll gladly get to you guys soon. All right. That's all she wrote.